YouTube and Andy's English Grammar channel on YouTube and autoplay. Here is one important thing in reading skill or comprehension: discursive passage. How to answer the questions of discursive passage which are tricky. Here I have given you some very practical technique to work out answers of 2 marks, 3 marks and even 4 marks when you cannot directly find out the answers. At first you read the passage very carefully. Try to understand the theme. For example, here it is multitasking and the title sometimes given. After reading, you read the questions which are like this. Here you see question number 2, 3 marks and CBSE style. Why do multitaskers often end up completing less work even though they try to do many things at once? Now, how to answer this question? How to locate the question? Let us see how to answer. Here one model answer is given. Locate the keywords in the question, such as see here multitasker, end up completing less work. Scan the passage. First paragraph introduces multitaskers. Second paragraph explains brain, restart, mental energy, more time, more mistakes. Underline the clue sentences. When we keep shifting our focus, brain has to restart, then task again and again. This repeated switching uses mental energy. People take much longer to finish and they also make more mistakes, ironically end up completing less. Now convert these to your own words, and here to remember, students, do not copy fully, join the ideas logically. Switching, energy loss, slow work, less work done. Write cause plus effect clearly. Cause here is constant shifting, effect is tired brain, more time, fewer tasks completed. So this is the technique where you can find out the answers from the paragraph and then write the answer in this way. Let us move to the other question. This is also 2 marks. How can constant distraction harm our relationships? So let us see how to answer the question or how to find the answer. Here it is. Clue and steps. Focus words harm relationships, which you find from the question. Now go to the relationship paragraph, which is 3rd paragraph. Pick keywords or key points. Family members staring at their own screens. People feel ignored and lonely. Conversation becomes shallow and misunderstanding increase. Conflicts could be avoided if people simply listened without checking their phones. Now join at least 2-3 effects: feeling ignored, lonely, shallow talks, misunderstanding. And tips for the students: use answer frame, it harms relationship because, that is effect 1, effect 2 and effect 3. So, here is also cause and effect pattern. I hope this one also you have understood to answer. Now, let us move to the question number 3, which is of course 3 marks, 60-70 words. Here is a model answer, you can check, but let us see how to do the answer. The question is, in what ways does the writer suggest we can use technology wisely without rejecting it? Now, look for the wording. Use technology wisely without rejecting it. This clearly points out to the paragraph that says digital devices are not the enemy. Find the solutions. Paragraph, 4th paragraph. Underline all the suggestion phrases. Keep phones away during the study time, meals or important talks. Turning off non-essential notifications. Setting fixed screen free hours. Combine all into one connected answer. Start with an idea. He suggests boundaries, not rejection. This way, according to the question asked. Then list 2-3 specific habits. End with result so that focus and peace are protected. Now, the marking idea. 1 mark, main idea, boundaries, not rejection. 1 to 1.5 mark, at least 2 clear suggestions. Remember, this is an approximate idea. And then half to 1 mark, effect result sentence. Then another 3 mark question. According to the passage, why can the ability to stay calmly focused be called a valuable form of discipline in today's world? This is of course a very, very important question of this paragraph, and here is the model answer. You can check it out, but we will discuss how to find out the answer. How to answer? Clue steps, key phrases, valuable forms of discipline, which is in the last paragraph. Find reasons in the last 2 paragraphs. Noisy world, control our attention or allow every beep and buzz to control us. Choosing moments of single tasking and silence. Strengthen our mind, our relationships and even our happiness. Now, plan the answer in 3 parts. The first part is today's condition, which is noisy world, constant notifications. Number 2, what discipline means here, self-control, attention, choosing focus. Then 3rd part, benefits, stronger mind, better relationships, more happiness. Always end at a 3 mark answer with a therefore or so statement connecting back to the question word, here valuable discipline, because. So, after composing your answer accordingly, then when it is 3 marks, you conclude your answer with therefore or so like statement. Now, let us see another part. How to teach clue based answering talking points. Here, I would like to teach you that you can summarize the techniques for yourself. Here it is about students, of course, Then read the whole passage once or twice, underline the key words in the question, scan, don't reread everything all the times, then clue phrases, examples, reasons, etc. to be understood. Now, I would like to end up again going back to the whole paragraph. It is a discursive paragraph on price of constant distractions, and it is of course of CBSE standard. So, you can find out the answers as I have shown in my techniques. I hope this method will help you much and other examinees too who are preparing for competitive exams. Thank you. Please watch out for more videos like this for your benefits. Best exam for all of you. Thank you.